Hello everybody, so today I will talk about physics. The topic today is about ampere. So now I will show you the answer. If we look carefully about this diagram, we can write the new one in here. So we have 10 ohms. So we put number 10 in here. And the next one we have the intersection, so that means we have 3 lines in here. The first one you got about 15 and number 4 we put on the top. The second one you got about 12 and the next one you got about 8. Next we have another intersection in here, so we have another intersection in here. That means this one connect with number 6 first. Later that number 6, number 8, I see this one in here and here, they connect together. And we have the last one, that's about number 2. So this is about the new diagram in here. So we put the number in here. So I don't need to use the unit, so I want to eliminate them so I can write faster. Now the mission in this situation, we need to find the total resistance. This is the most important to find the ampere in here. So let's go. In the first one we see that we have 15 and number 4 in the series in here. We sum two numbers together and this one you will got about 19. Next, 19 parallel with number 12, so I will put into the green one. So the green one, that should be about R equals to number 19 multiply with number 12 divide to 19 plus 12. And the green color in here, you will got about 228 point over 31. So this is about the answer for the green one, because they are parallel in here. Now I put in the blue one. The green one is in the series with number 6, so that should be in here. So we sum 228 over 31 with number 6, you will got about 414 over 31. And we see that the blue one is parallel with number 8, so I will put in the orange. That's about this one in here. So in the orange we got about 414 over 31 multiplied with number 8 over 414 over 31 plus 8, and we got the final answer. That's about 1656 over 331. And now the orange is in the series of number 10 and number 2. So the total resistance we need to calculate. That's about 10 plus 1656 over 331 plus 2, and we got about 5628 over 331. So this is the total resistance in here. Now we need to find about I equal to V divided to R. V we got about 120. The total resistance we just calculate in here. We got about 3,300 and number 10 over 469 ampere. Now we know that number 10, the orange, and number 2 they are parallel in here, so they are in the series in here. So this one they will got the same value, this one they will got the same value in here. So the orange of the current, that should be about this number in here. Now the question they ask, we want to find the voltage of number 12 12 ohms resistor in here. Number 12, that's about this one. In the parallel, we know that the voltage they will have the same line. So we have this number in here. We just multiply with the orange. That's about this number we just calculate in here. And we can find the voltage. That's about 35.31, and this is the final answer. However, if we look carefully about number 8 and the big blue in here, we see we just calculate about the voltage for number 8 and the blue one. We need to minus about the voltage for number 6 inside the blue. So on the next step, we know that number 6 is parallel the green one in here, and we can calculate about the ampere in here. The ampere in number 6 and the blue one, the green one is the same. So we have we have I equal to U divided by R. U we just calculate in here. This is about 35.31. I just approximate, but actually this number in here is about 10,000 16,560 over 469. We divide to the total resistance of the blue one. This is about this number in here. You will got about 1240 over 469. The ampere of number 6 and the green one in here, they have the same number. So we can find the voltage of the green one, and that is about the voltage of number 12 in here, and that should be about V equal to I multiplied with R. R in this situation, that is about the green one, and that is about 228 over 31 multiplied with I. That is the number we just find in here. And we got the final answer, and that should be about 19.44569 voltage, and that is the final answer we need to find. This is the end. Thank you for watching.